Alrighty guys, Sparta First Productions here. I just got this a couple days ago and I'm already running into a few issues with it. This is the Avon musical Christmas tree with train. It's a great little Christmas decoration. The only issue I'm having with it is it's making this horrible sound when the music is playing and the train's running. Listen to this. That doesn't sound right. I don't think that's how that thing should sound. Especially at the new condition of it that it's already in. If anybody knows what's going on, please let me know.